How to reinstall a wireless network adapter driver in Windows 11. Uninstalling and reinstalling the driver for your wireless network adapter using Windows Device Manager can resolve common issues with your wireless internet connection. Note, if you are using a USB network adapter or broadband device, unplug it, restart the computer, and then plug it into a different USB port after Windows boots. In Windows, search for and open Device Manager. Double-click on Network Adapters to expand the section. Right-click your wireless network adapter and then click Uninstall Device. Note, if your network adapter is not shown, the device is not connected or cannot be detected. Shut down your computer and check the hardware connection. A pop-up prompt confirming the uninstall displays. Depending on the network adapter, an option displays to delete the driver software while removing the device. Select the checkbox to remove the driver software. Begin uninstalling the device by clicking OK or Uninstall. On the menu bar, click Action and then select Scan for hardware changes. The computer detects the wireless network adapter and then reinstalls the driver. The wireless network adapter name appears in the list of installed devices. Close the Device Manager. Restart your computer. Windows will boot using the new driver. Open the web browser and test your internet connection. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.